Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use the LILYGO web version download tool to help you get started with LILYGO products faster. Open the LILYGO wiki website and find the download tool at the top. The LILYGO web download tool has 3 functions: quick download, custom download, and erase device. Quick download allows you to select the firmware version based on your device model. Take the T-display as an example. Select the no-touch version of the firmware. Wait a moment for the tool to load the firmware before connecting the device. Click Connect Device Port and select the corresponding port for your device. After selecting the correct port for your device, click Connect. Once connected, the Download Firmware button will become clickable. This will first erase the device's firmware and then download the new one. The download is complete, and the device will restart automatically. The second function is custom download. First, click Connect to Device and select the corresponding port. You can download one or more firmware files to specific addresses on the device according to your needs. The third function is to erase the device firmware. Click to connect the device whose firmware you want to erase. Then click Erase Flash to finish.